Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
How are Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm too good. So we are meeting for the first time. So could you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. Thank you for asking. As you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. And I'm mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm totally homemaker. That's all about me.
Oh, that's good. So let me tell you about myself. So as you know, my name is Priyanka. I'm a teacher. I teach in primary school. And about my qualification, so I have done my post graduation as well as PhD. And nowadays I'm learning English. That's why I'm running my YouTube channel. I live in Greater Noida. It's Delhi NCR. It's all about
Oh,
myself.
okay, that's great. Are you doing PhD?
I have done
You have done okay. In which subject?
history.
Okay, and that's great. That means you have lots of knowledge about history.
Yeah, you can say. Actually, I have done my post graduation in two subjects, Hindi and history. But I have done my PhD in history subject.
Okay, that's great. What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm a teacher. I teach in primary school, and simultaneously, preparing for assistant professor.
Okay, yeah, you deserve it. Have you
Okay.
tried? Have you
No,
tried?
I have submitted form for interview and for interest exam, but I didn't do
Okay,
because
okay,
I
that's
want to go in a government sector. That's why.
yes, I understand. How long have you been you are learning this language?
You can say since 1 year I started learning English, but I don't do every day. My consistency is not good for this language because most of time I spend my lots of time in my school, and after that at my home also I have a one kid, and nowadays I'm preparing for assistant professor, so I don't have enough time for learning this language. But whenever I get time, so I try to talk as a video call.
Okay, you are a YouTuber also.
Yeah, you can say I'm a YouTuber, but my purpose is not earning money. My purpose is, I want to improve my communication skills. I want to boost my confidence. That's all.
Yes.
So
Okay,
you were
that's
saying that you have completed PGDCA in computer. So after that, you didn't join any computer related any job.
yes, before marriage, I did as a computer teacher in institute, but
Okay.
after married, I did not get chance to do job because my baby is so young and we are living here as a nuclear family.
Okay.
I told about we are my native place is Assam and we are living here as a UP.
Okay.
That's why it's quite difficult to me to leave him at home alone and I can't go outside to do job. In future I will do definitely because when he grown up I will try
Okay.
to
How
do
old is
again.
he? How old is
He is
he?
3 years old.
3 years old.
Yes.
Okay, so which district do you live in UP?
In Hapur. Do you know?
Okay,
Near
Hapur.
Ghaziabad.
Yeah, also I live in Greater Noida, so I know Hapur,
Yes.
Meerut, Faridabad, Ghaziabad. So
Yes.
how long have you been living Hapur?
We are here, I think, 4.5 years old. I'm living here after married. My
Okay,
husband living here is a 6 year. I've been living
okay,
here.
okay. So what does your husband do?
He is a inter-college teacher.
Okay, inter-college teacher. So you have a good, partner for conversation. So do you talk
Yeah,
with them in English language?
yeah, sometime I took. He also PhD from Delhi University.
Oh, that's good. So which subject?
He did Sanskrit.
Okay, Sanskrit.
Yes.
So he teach as a lecturer in Sanskrit. He teach Sanskrit subject.
Yes, yes.
So you didn't try for uh, getting job in the teaching line. You didn't do B.Ed, BTC.
Yeah, I'm doing now master degree in education subject from IGNOU because it's quite difficult to me to go outside and take classes.
Okay.
After finishing this, I will try to do B.Ed also and teaching line I will search also. If I not get chance because this is a very competitive, exam we have to cross,
Yeah.
then I have another option also. I can do any private job as a related computer.
Yeah, right. Yeah, nowadays, competition level, it has been
Yes.
very tough and we can't crack easily and we have to do lots of hard work. And also
Yeah.
exam pattern has been changed, so I can understand. And government, they don't provide lots of vacancies for
Yeah.
teaching.
Yeah. Hardly they provide one and two vacancy for, job as a college level or university level. It's
Right,
quite
right.
difficult to get. I
Yeah,
can
that's
understand.
why, yeah, students and day by every years, yeah, maximum student they qualified B.Ed, BTC, and after that they can't do anything because here is no any environment. We can say here is no any good job because even you want to go in a private sector, so also they have to do lots of hard work and without crack interview also they take interview and after that they you can join over there. So yeah, it's very hard work for teaching line.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's teaching line is good, but it's very hard to
Yeah,
get this job.
yeah, teaching line is good. Also, I'm a teacher, so I know. But yeah, nowadays for getting job any sector, it's a very
Yeah.
difficult task.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many time you try to do, get job, or how many time you attend examination?
Actually, my school timing is 8 to 3 o'clock morning to evening, and after that, that after coming school, so we get get tired, exhausted, so I have to take some rest. And also I'm mother of one kid, so I have to care them. I live with my family, so I have to do everything myself. And after that, whenever I get time, so I try to spend my time for studying. And sometimes I use this platform.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I'm asking you, I asked you how many time you attend examination for do job as a college lecturer or any other teacher, PGT, TGT. I think you tried many times.
No, I didn't try because after completed B.Ed, I got my job, and after that, one time I
Is
gave
it your
teaching
government?
for. Yeah, I'm a government teacher.
Okay, okay, okay then.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
and after that, I completed my PhD because that for PhD we have to do lots of hard work. We have to go outside for collected our materials. We have to write as a book and we have to submit it. So it's long process. So that's why I didn't have a time for preparing other competitive exam. I spent my lots of time for my PhD, and after completing PhD, I started preparing for assistant professor. So that's why I didn't give lots of exam for a government job.
Yes, yes. How long have you been you finishing your PhD?
That for 2 to 3 years, it's a lot for COVID. So yeah, you can say in 2020.
Okay, 2020. When you
Yeah,
got job?
yeah, I have been doing job for 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah,
Okay, it's a long time. Okay, how long have you been you are married?
yeah, I'm married. You can say it has been completed 8 years.
Okay, okay. You have
Yeah,
daughter.
after
I saw
yeah, I
your
have a daughter. Yeah, and I
okay.
have uploaded some videos with her.
Okay, I did not see.
Yeah, because sometimes whenever she wants to talk with me, it depends on her mood. So then
Yes.
I try to talk with her and I make some videos, only 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It depends on her. Then I upload it.
Okay, then do you speak with her?
Yeah, sometimes whenever she wants, because also she goes to school and yeah, and she nowadays whenever she comes to her school, so she started watching cartoon and whenever I try to talk with her, so nowadays she, no mama, please don't talk in English language.
Okay.
But yeah, she
I
can
think it's very
understand, she can
important to
understand. Yeah, she can understand, she can speak. And nowadays, her teacher, she was saying that Prisha, she can understand English very well, and she tried to speak, she tried to give answer in totally in English language. So she's
understand.
very happy to her.
That's good. She got environment and help from you. That is good
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, because you know that when I didn't know this language, so that time I was not able to talk with her, and she didn't know this language. But when I started learning English, so I try to talk with her 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It depends to her.
Yes, yes. It's if you talk with simple time or little time, then it will be very helpful for her because this language is very necessary nowadays to do
Yeah,
anything
for
in their
everyone.
future. Yeah,
Yeah,
we are
nowadays we are.
struggling.
Yeah, nowadays we are doing struggle. We are thinking it's a global language. So when they will be grown up in their future time, so it's would be must. It's necessary. Without
Necessary.
knowing this language, they can't do anything. They can't
Yes.
go any sector.
Yes, yes. Now we are able to speak English, so we have to give environment to them also because we are struggling nowadays, We
Right,
knew
right.
nowadays we knew about value of this language, so we are learning, we are struggling nowadays. So if we give like this environment to them, then definitely it will very helpful for their future.
Yeah. So what do you do for enhance your speaking?
Nothing special. Sometime I watch movies, sometime I listen podcast and conversation videos, and I do conversation with people, and yeah, sometime I take some topic and I will try to narrate itself. This kind of things
Okay.
I do.
So how long have you been learning English, and how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
About my learning English, I have been learning this language for 7 months. And
Okay.
about my channel, I recently created, I think before 15 or 20 days before.
Okay. Recently you created your channel.
Yes, I
So
recently created.
okay, so when do you think that yeah you should start your YouTube channel?
I think I did not think it's not my purpose to earn money basically, but many people told me about you should open your channel. You can see your grown progress, and it will
Yeah.
be very helpful for you to learn English. You can see your change. That's why I thought, okay, let's everyone it's running their YouTube channel, then why I not?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why I
definitely.
created.
And we can, we can boost our confidence and we can create environment because also when I come to my school, so that time I can't talk anyone in English language. So that's why
Yes.
it's a good platform. We can talk our viewers, our subscribers, yeah, beginners who wants to talk with they
Yes.
us, so we can talk easily. We
Yes,
have
yes. After
lot.
creating this channel, yeah, it will be responsibility to upload videos daily, and we will be, consistent. We should upload video, though I have to conversation with people in face to face. It will be, energy and our confidence will be boost.
Right, and yeah, it depends also, but my consistency is not good already. I have told to you
Yeah, I
because
can
I don't
understand you
upload
are beginner.
everyday videos because, but mostly I try to. I try to. Yeah, myself that I upload video every day because I talked to some person I think in winter time, but I didn't those video. I didn't upload those videos. So I think I should upload every day, but it's that it's not long process. We have to make. Actually, I have to do everything myself, thumbnail
Okay.
and uploading everything. But
Yeah,
after coming to schools, I get tired.
yeah,
So
it's
that's
happened.
why, yeah, I don't do things. But yeah, definitely I will try in on Sunday for uploading my old videos.
Okay, you try on
So what?
Sunday.
Yeah, because
Yeah, it's
on Sunday I have some time. So
yes, yes. It's quite difficult to do both side YouTube as well and learning also and school also. Yes, I can understand. Okay, how long have you been you are running YouTube channel? I
yeah,
forgot.
at month ago I started my YouTube channel, but my health was not good, so 2 to 3 months I didn't upload any video. And
Okay,
recently, I think 2 to 3 days again I started this conversation. So 1 month, I think Feb, and
okay,
I didn't talk anyone as a video call. I uploaded all the video on my YouTube channel. That's
okay,
why my
okay,
consistency is not good because I talk the video call sometimes on and off. I am not regular.
okay. Yeah, it was your health issue.
Yes.
Okay.
So what's your YouTube channel name?
Okay, my YouTube channel is Global English Quest.
Okay, it's a unique name.
Yeah. What's your
Oh.
YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is English for Beginners with Priyanka.
Okay. Okay, please send me your YouTube link after this session, okay? You told me after, I think 4 o'clock you will be free. That time I also free because my baby is sleeping now, so the time is comfortable for me to make conversation.
Yeah, because right now also, that 4 o'clock, I think, yeah, I can talk some person, then I can start my other work. So, okay, so I think we have talked 20 minutes. So it was
Yeah,
nice
yes.
conversation with you.
Okay, Sam here. I
Okay,
enjoy a lot to talk to you.
okay, nice
Okay
to
then.
talk to you. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.